Looking for the absolute best RGB mechanical keyboard brown switches in 2026, expert reviews in 2026. We've analyzed the top 5 models to help you make an expert decision. All links are in the description. Let's dive in. I recently had the opportunity to try out the DRAOZA Switch Set, and I must say that it exceeded my expectations in every way. The set includes high-quality switches, grips, and a cleaning brush, making it an ideal addition to any gamer's setup. The switches themselves are smooth and responsive, providing a comfortable typing experience for extended periods of time. I was impressed by the attention to detail that went into designing each switch, ensuring optimal performance and durability. I also appreciated the variety of grip options available, which catered to my personal preference for a specific feel while gaming. The grips were securely attached to the switches, preventing any slipping or movement during use. One notable feature of the DRAOZA Switch Set is its ease of cleaning. The brush provided with the set made quick work of dust and debris, ensuring that the switches remained in pristine condition. Overall, I would highly recommend the DRAOZA Switch Set to anyone looking to upgrade their gaming experience. Its high-quality components, attention to detail, and versatility make it an excellent choice for gamers of all levels. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore enthusiast, this Switch Set is sure to impress. The YUNZII IC68 wireless mechanical keyboard is a delight for both form and function. The cat-inspired silicone design adds a touch of whimsy to any workspace, making it an ideal choice for users who value aesthetics. However, don't let its cute appearance fool you. This keyboard is built to last with solid construction that can withstand daily use. The 65% layout is a clever compromise between functionality and desk space efficiency. Essential keys are still easily accessible, ensuring that typing speed and accuracy remain unaffected. The keyboard also boasts triple-mode connectivity, allowing seamless transitions between Bluetooth, 2.4G, and wired modes. This flexibility makes it perfect for users with different preferences or environments. The brown switches provide a smooth and tactile typing experience, while the wireless connectivity ensures a clutter-free workspace. Overall, the YUNZII IC68 is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, feature-rich keyboard that won't break the bank. With its unique design and practical features, this keyboard is sure to bring a smile to your face every time you use it. Whether at home or in the office, the YUNZII IC68 is a solid investment for any typist. Its balance of style and substance makes it an excellent addition to any workspace. The YUNZII IB87 wireless keyboard is a standout product that delivers exceptional value for its price. Its balanced TKL layout provides ample desk space efficiency, making it ideal for those who prioritize organization and ergonomics. The inclusion of a soft-touch wrist rest ensures comfortable long typing sessions, reducing fatigue and promoting productivity. One of the key features that sets this keyboard apart is its programmability options. With QMK/VIA compatibility, users can customize every aspect of the keyboard to suit their needs, from macro keys to backlighting settings. This level of customization makes it perfect for both gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike. The die-sublimated PBT keycaps are not only stylish but also extremely durable, withstanding heavy use without showing signs of wear. The RGB lighting adds a touch of flair, while multi-device connectivity ensures seamless switching between devices. Overall, the YUNZII IB87 wireless keyboard is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality keyboard that adapts to their lifestyle. Its perfect balance of form and function makes it a top contender in the market, offering exceptional value without breaking the bank. The DRAOZA Kailh Box Switch Set is a game-changer for custom keyboard builders seeking smooth performance. The switches feature POM material, which provides a silky keystroke feel that's hard to match with traditional switches. This results in a more enjoyable typing experience, making it perfect for gamers and typists alike. One of the standout features of these switches is their pre-lube design. By reducing friction and noise, they deliver consistent tactile feedback that's essential for precise keyboard performance. Whether you're building a custom RGB keyboard or upgrading an existing one, this switch set offers a satisfying brown-like tactile experience without sacrificing speed. With a rated lifespan of 60 million presses, these switches are built to last. The Kailh Switch Set is ideal for those who crave a smooth and consistent typing experience without the hassle of pre-lubing each switch individually. If you're looking to upgrade your keyboard and want to maintain that satisfying tactile feel, look no further than the DRAOZA Kailh Switch Set. Overall, this switch set offers exceptional performance and durability at an affordable price point. The Keychron V3 TKL Keyboard is a highly sought-after device among keyboard enthusiasts, thanks to its robust QMK/VIA support. This feature allows for in-depth customization, making it an ideal choice for power users who demand tailored performance. The keyboard's acoustic foam and pre-lubed switches deliver a premium typing experience with a crisp, clear sound that enhances typing accuracy. The frosted translucent design of the Keychron V3 TKL keyboard gives it a modern look, setting it apart from other keyboards in its class. Its compatibility with multiple operating systems makes it suitable for both work and gaming environments. Whether you're a professional or an avid gamer, this keyboard provides the necessary performance and flexibility to meet your needs. One of the standout features of the Keychron V3 TKL keyboard is its customization capabilities. With QMK/VIA support, users can create complex macro combinations and customize key layouts to suit their preferences. Overall, the Keychron V3 TKL keyboard is a top-notch device that offers a unique blend of performance, style, and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality typing experience. Its versatility and customization options make it an excellent investment for keyboard enthusiasts. That wraps up our list. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.